Barcelona. There are players like Messi, like Deco, like Samuel Eto'o, who any team in Europe would be interested in taking to their club.
138th tie tonight. Ronaldo with a header on. Coming in from the left, and the first free kick into the game, and that's no surprise.
Halfway line, Barcelona.
Indicating how they mean to continue, perhaps. As Ronaldo went down, and the referee has seen a handball in there. Oh, this is the one he has missed.
Well, even the great players get affected by pressure, and that's all it can be.
Look at the foul, the referee allowing play to go on. That certainly was a foul by Deco.
Tevez does what he is doing now, gets himself around Yaya Toure. That means that will allow Scholes and Carrick to deal with Deco on an equal footing. We don't want Tevez to be a little lazy.
Messi skips around the challenge from Tevez. Pulled it back into a really dangerous area. United relieved. He's up short from Lionel Messi. It's a good ball. Ran out of room. Ronaldo uses his pace and power to bring United clear. Ronaldo. Still the back into the wrong position. Yaya Toure should clear.
It's a corner.
The second free kick taking the deflection. Good ball as well from Messi, already weaving his magic. Danger here, pulled back behind Deco though. United can breathe again.
Best piece of football in the match by a distance. Beautiful. So typically Barcelona as well.
Carved to Van der Sar, but that's an awful clearance by the goalkeeper. Straight to Lionel Messi, who looks for Eto'o. He tried to drive it. The reach of Messi, and there's a clear foul on Ronaldo again. Well then, to pick out Ronaldo, who's done brilliantly himself. Tevez forward, so too is Park. Messi. A little pick up. Messi. Under the ground by the Frenchman to Messi. Scholes took a swing at him, which shows why the crowd complained. Oh, it was a poor ball straight to Ronaldo, who crashed with Marquez and was expecting a second penalty, but is disappointed.
I think he's taken him out. I think Marquez has taken him out. Does he go for the ball?
Messi again. And Park. There's Deco again. On to Messi. And Ronaldo takes over from Cristiano Ronaldo. Clever. Scholes. Messi. Turn around the corner by Deco to Messi. Scholes wins it. With a lovely ball intended for Eto'o.
That was a good one. Goal, was it?
There's Messi. Off Carrick, only as far as Shaggy. Picks out Deco, lovely first-time ball for Zambrotta. Ebra wins it back. Park in strongly this coming weekend. So the pressure's really on them to succeed in this competition. Messi. Ebra's challenge was a good... Rather cheekily played it straight against Evra, but it didn't come off this time.
I just think it gets some joy.
Lovely skill from Lionel Messi. The crowd enjoyed that. And they also enjoyed the sight of the referee. Goals.
Skill. Isn't there too much change out of Evra tonight? Lionel Messi.
Winning it back. Scholes felt he was fouled, but Lionel Messi looks dangerous every time he's in possession, as you'd expect. Discipline half for Manchester United, but it could all change here. Eto's shot, fortunately.
Super defenders.
Goals. Another free kick, this time to United.
Messi thinks he just pinches this.
He was looking for Tevez, but fails to find him. He just pulled up there, Messi, as he controlled that ball. Good challenge by Brown. Ebra goes down under the heavy tackle from Zambrotta. Here's Messi. Deco in space in this first half, Manchester United. Here's Ronaldo. He might have to take on the entire defence here. He doesn't get round the first man, but he does get a free kick. Ronaldo kills it goalwards again, but
They always have the extra man in midfield the way they operate, but we expected that.
saw him first. That era, renowned as a free-scoring side, they have kept clean sheets in 8 of their last 12 games, so they can do the other side of this season with that early penalty. There's Yaya Toure.
I think it's rather fair, as I said there, really happy with the way his team have defended against this sort of football.
Record in England in this competition. They've won 5 of their last 8 ties on him with Iniesta. And further still to Messi. The shot deflected almost back into the path of Iniesta.
Took a little bit longer than he wanted to get the shot off. He's just slid to him here. Takes an extra touch on that.
On to Ronaldo. Away from Zambrotta. He's pretty quick though, the Italian. Ball. And here goes Ronaldo. And he goes down again. Nothing given.
It's a bit of a reckless challenge from Abidal. I don't know what he's thinking he's doing in his own penalty area, jumping in like that.
Available short, here he is, onto Deco. Good play by Lionel Messi. Great play. And he wins the corner. Let's quickly join Jeff Shreves on the touchline.
Yes, Alan, Manchester United.
Here's Brown, risky, very risky. Eto'o, and Ferdinand slips. Messi wanted it early.
This is where he gets caught, Wes Brown, and just thought there, Eto's honesty keeps him on his feet. Again, upset that he didn't get a decision there. Things upset Ronaldo now.
Win that back and get it back from Park. Giving the ball away as sloppy as that, most unlike them. Yaya Toure continues his run, and it's Messi in possession. Scholes element involved in selecting Lionel Messi. Plays it long for Eto'o. Here's Messi. Now Iniesta. Usual cultured build-up. And it is indeed Lionel Messi who's coming up.
Might just be a precaution, Ali. Obviously not sure. They won't take any chances with a hugely talented young player. As one departs to see another.
And could well be going back to Old Trafford with a goal lead. They